Today we'll be working on problem 4.1 from Drafting for the Theater 2nd edition by Dennis Dorn and Mark Shanda. Just want to give you a brief overview of the project before we begin. If you are looking at the page, there is an error in the book and it has been corrected here in my drafting. In the book, this dimension right here says it's a 1/2 inch, but it's only 1/4 of an inch. Another thing to be aware of, when you are centering things in this area, the center of the page can be found by going from the top right corner to the bottom left corner above the title block. It's not the whole page. Same thing, other side. And this is your center where everything is. You'll also want to note that the instructions include a 1/2 inch diameter circle and a 3 inch diameter circle. Over here, these lines are placed in 9 equal spaces. There is a lovely divide command, and you can tell it how many sections you want. You wanted 9 over here. In this block, these little guys are 1/2 inch apart. So there's a 1/2 inch offset between this line and the next long line. You'll see in this block, if we zoom in, that the angle of these lines are 60 degrees. And you could, in your mind, connect this line all the way down to this line, and the same 60-degree angle repeats over here, and it just keeps going. You'll also see in your instructions that this dimension is 3/8 of an inch. So your title block is 3/8 of an inch all the way across, and it's in 4 equal spaces, so again you can use the divide command. All right, in our next video we'll get started on drafting this.